Have you ever been puzzled by the order of actions in your Gradle build script? It can be really confusing, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Gradle custom tasks and their action order. I totally get it. It's frustrating when your code doesn't behave as expected, especially when you think you've set everything up correctly. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why do my custom actions in Gradle execute in reverse order?" They provided a build script example and were confused by the output. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? In Gradle, the order of task actions can be influenced by how you define them. The do first and do last methods are key players in this game, and they can change the expected flow of execution. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your Gradle tasks more effectively. To understand the order of execution in the Gradle build script, the user should first recognize how the do first and do last methods work. These methods allow the user to specify actions that should occur before or after the main task actions. Next, the user should note that when the do first and do last methods are used, they wrap around the main task actions. This means that the custom actions defined in the sample task class will execute in the order they are defined, unless overridden by do first or do last. Now, if the user comments out the do first and do last methods, the custom actions will execute in the order they are defined in the class. This is why the output appears reversed. The actions are executed in the order they are declared in the sample task class. To summarize, the user should remember that the presence of do first and do last alters the execution order of the task actions. When these methods are not used, the actions run in the order they are defined in the class. Fun fact, Gradle was named after the word gradual, reflecting its ability to build projects incrementally. Just like your tasks, it's all about the right order. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that the order of execution in Gradle tasks is not deterministic. They suggest that the results can vary based on how the task is configured. They also question the need for two separate @task action methods, proposing that a single method could provide a more predictable outcome. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. According to another user, the execution order of methods annotated with @task action in Gradle is not guaranteed. This is because the methods are fetched using a process that does not sort them, leading to an undetermined order of execution. The user explains that the methods are processed by the annotation processing task factory, and the fetching of task action methods is handled by the default task class info store. This means that the order of execution can vary each time. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. This user points out that Gradle does not guarantee the order of task actions. They also mention raising an issue in the past regarding this behavior, suggesting that Gradle should provide warnings or better solutions. Here's the tip I promised. Always be mindful of the order in which you define your actions and how do first and do last can change that order. This awareness will save you from unexpected behavior in your scripts. And there you have it. Understanding the order of actions in Gradle can make a huge difference in your builds. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing your Gradle scripts.